Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. Are you bored of the old ketchup and mustard routine when it comes to spicing up your burgers? A good burger, like a pizza, should be loaded with great yummy toppings. A really interesting Canadian touch to any burger is bacon. You can do it BLT classic by adding some lettuce and tomatoes with it, or you can just add the bacon by itself and go for an all-meat combination. Pesto sauce can be used to give your burgers an intense smoky herbal flavor. This can help if you are cooking certain meats that you normally do not enjoy eating. Grilled mushrooms are always a favorite. It can add a wood-like texture, and if you touch a bit of oil on them before grilling them, they can actually be quite delicious. Tomato slices are always a good contribution regardless of the time. A secret tip from me for the tomato lovers is to get some high-quality cream of balsamic vinegar and brush each side of the tomato slices with it. Then throw it on the grill on medium-high heat for a minute on each side, and they will be deliciously sweet and yummy. Cheese can also add a lot of variety. More than the boring Swiss, you can try adding cheddar, Parmesan, Fontina or Munster. These will all melt into a nice soft form and add a nice saltiness and moisture to your already juicy burger. Another less common topping for burgers are fruit chutneys. This can be done from tomatoes mixed with mango or peach chutney. It goes very well with any grilled meats, not just burgers. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in description below.